Good morning, everybody. I'm delighted to say Happy New Year and welcome to our first virtual assembly of 2021. It's a combined assembly from Room 1 and Steering Group, and today we wanted to talk to you about the global goal number 2, which is zero hunger. In simpler terms, this means that nobody should be going hungry in the society that we live in or across the world. I've sent over a couple of little pictures to look at, but while you look at that, I just want you to bear in mind a few facts. So, yes, we need food to survive. However, the way we eat, particularly in our developed country and other nations, it's killing us both and the planet. So we need to look at that in more depth. Hunger is the leading cause of death in the world. I wonder if anybody knew that fact, which is a massive, great shame, I think. Our planet, if you think about it, provides us with a massive abundance of food resources. But unfortunately, those resources do not get shared equally. I wonder why. Perhaps you could have a little think about that one. I find that one quite interesting. Why is everybody not got equal food or equal food resources? And lastly, unfortunately, millions of people are malnourished, which means they don't have enough food to stay healthy, like lots of us are, stay happy and healthy. So I think if we think about that today, I think really that makes me a little bit sad. That lots and lots and lots of people in our world are starving and hungry right now. I'm pleased to say that I'm not hungry. I've had my porridge this morning and I've had lots of cups of coffee and I've just had a snack and I'm now thinking about what I'm going to have for my lunch. So I'm really, really lucky that I never ever go hungry. So that's it from me today. I hope you're all well and staying safe and staying home. And we'll hope to speak to you or see you all soon. If you've got any contributions for our assembly this week or any other, please post it on Dojo. We'd like to see it. Thank you. Bye.
Global Goal 2, Zero Hunger. It makes me sad that people all over the world are dying because they are hungry. Families in our country and in our community are hungry too. We can help to change this and it is easy. Ask your parents to buy wonky fruit and vegetables. These are cheaper and healthy. The money goes to the farmer and he can grow even more for people. We can grow fruit and vegetables at home and school. Make vegetables into soup and put it in the freezer. Help others by giving food to a food bank. Remember, little changes become big changes and make the world better.
Aren't I lucky? I have food on my plate and food in my belly. Aren't I fortunate? It makes me think about people who don't have food.
I'm feeling fortunate. I'm just about to sit down and eat my lovely lunch. I've got tuna on crackers and I've got a mulla corner for afters. A lot of people won't be sitting down for a lunch today because a lot of people go hungry all around the world every day. So I am so fortunate.
So here I am about to sit down to my lovely lunch. I'm so fortunate. I've got Philadelphia on homemade bread and I've got some olives and some sun-dried tomatoes and a lovely cup of tea. And it's made me realise how fortunate I am to be able to have all that healthy food, and it makes me really, really sad to think that hunger is killing so many people in the world. And for afters, I'm having some leftover Christmas cake, which is also homemade. Homemade food is lovely. It tends to be healthier and more wholesome. Do you think this Christmas cake is healthy? And I'd like to just thank everybody for their artwork contributions, which were fantastic. So you can see some lovely pictures here from Umi, from Leah, from Richard, and from Ed. So thank you everybody for your contributions, and together we will make sure that zero hunger becomes a reality by 2030.
Too many children are dying from hunger today. This is so unfair when many of us have too much to eat. Check out the UNICEF campaign and help us achieve Global Goal 2, Zero Hunger.
Thank you so much for watching our Steering Group Room 1 Assembly on Global Goal 2, Zero Hunger. So what do you think? Do you think we will achieve this goal? Will we get zero hunger in the world by 2030? Let me know your thoughts and your comments. You can comment on Dojo or you can send me an email. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everybody. Bye.